So, renovation financing. Let's say you found a historic home or an older home that you absolutely love, but it requires a lot of work. Or maybe even there's some updates that you want to do. I don't know, update the kitchen, or maybe the place needs an entire renovation. You don't have to have the cash necessarily out of pocket to pay for that. There's something that's called renovation financing, and you can get a conventional renovation loan, or FHA has a 203K. That's what the renovation loan is called for FHA. And the way they both work is this way. You get a home inspection, and whatever comes up that needs to be repaired, let's say you're doing an entire renovation, or if you just want to wrap in some basic repairs or an upgrade or something like that. Go over the home inspection, make a list of what you want repaired, and then you get a general contractor to come out and give you an estimate of what it would cost to have those things repaired. Your lender will send out an initial appraiser to do an appraisal of kind of what the house is worth at that moment, kind of an as-is condition. And then they will also take the general contractor's estimate to figure out what is a back-end value. Basically, will it be worth the amount of money that you're going to put into it and that the bank is going to lend you on that back end, what that final loan amount is. Because the bank is not going to want to lend you a ton of money on something that's not going to appraise for that amount on the back end. They don't want to over invest, basically, or allow you to, which is good. It's responsible. And the way it works once you close on the house is that you, let's say you buy the house for $100,000 and you have $50,000 of work that you want done to the house. So you close on the house at $100,000, and then let's say your general contractor comes out and he redoes the electrical, and that's, 10 grand. Let's just give it a big number. 10 grand. Then he will take a draw out for 10 grand, and then your monthly payment will go up a little bit because it'll go up to accommodate that $10,000. And eventually towards the end, you'll owe the 150, or, maybe you can get the work done for a little bit less or something like that. And the bank also, just an FYI, they will want you to have a little bit in reserve whenever you initially give the contractor's estimate, just for things that can come up that are unexpected, that kind of thing. So if you find a house you love, or you're going through in the kitchen, you love the house, but the kitchen is just like, maybe it's a little dated or something like that, you don't have to have out-of-pocket cash. Your lender can help you. Just ask them about a renovation loan. Not all lenders do it, so ask your realtor to recommend a lender to you that will know the ins and outs of that process. And I have a great renovation loan officer too, if you need a recommendation. And you don't have to work with me, but I'm happy to pass his name on to you. Okay, thanks.